in today's session in the part of a Dataraptor series. So let's start with this. Okay, let's create a new Dataraptor. So let's name it December 2021. So as I told you in my previous video, there's a difference between a turbo extract and extract Dataraptor. In a extract Dataraptor, we can use a more related subject as compared to turbo extract, and there can be multiple relation is possible, and more outputs we can generate. And so that's the reason the extract Dataraptor, when you really need a long socle, then we go for extract Dataraptor. We can go for more than 3 extract steps, but for a good practice we should stick to the 3 extract step. So when I say the 3 extract step, it should be like a account, its related object, another related object. So let's say I'll go with account, and I give the name it as account details. Filter on the basis of account ID I'll do. So here's the ID, and I'll put it as context ID. Now I'll choose another related object from this account, that is contact. Here I'll say the name of the output path as contact details. Filter would be the account ID, and it should be equal to the on the basis of this path, you know. So let's say what I'm trying to say is I need to copy this and put it like this: account details colon ID. Similarly, I can add one more step. Let's say this time I'll take opportunity details. Let's give it as op details. Uh, it also has account ID, so it will be the same. Now let's go to the output, create the input extraction path, and as well as the name, it should have that. So what is the issue? Okay, let's start with account ID. I'll give it as ID initially. Where is the name? A name. Give it as name. City. Now let's go for the contact fields. Like contact name. I don't know what that is. Let's meet first. Let's say phone. Contact. Now take the opportunity details. Let's take one more field. Let's take this time description. Top description. Now go to the preview. You'll add the parameter context ID. I will take I can take this ID. This is the account ID I just already opened one of a tab. I'll provide the IDs over here. I'll execute. Well, why it's not coming? Okay, that's the region. What happening? Now you can see we are getting the details. I think there are three opportunity records with the different names. That's why you can getting three different, four actually. One, two, three, four details. One is there's for the double and contact. Okay, the contacts are multiple actually. That's why the four arrays are possible here. Objects like let's say this one of a type. This one. Now it doesn't look good actually, right? Let's beautify it. Let's make it inside one of a array. This whole object. So what we can do? Go to the object. I need to add everything in this output JSON path under one array name. So let's create a first an array name first. We are not going to give any extract JSON path because we just simply give the output JSON path. Let's say I will give that account related as object. Okay, and I will need to make the whole thing under one map, list of map. That is because it contains the ID as well as strings. So and okay, and just let me copy this. I need to put it in the output path every time otherwise it will not come. ID. Sometimes due to low internet speed, this error is coming. So we can avoid that as of now. Go to preview, click on execute again. Now you can see it looks good under one particular array like account related as subject, and you can able to retrieve the opposite name on the first, second, or third reference any field over here, right? So this is how you can create an extract data raptor and also beautify it based on your requirement. You can also add the formulas uh, as per requirement, and we can use that formula as output JSON path in the output. The options like this, you can avoid the field level security. If there is some null value coming for particular field, when you override click on it, it will simply put a value as null. It will also print that field. If that is unchecked, then particular field will not print in the preview. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching it. Keep watching and please do like, subscribe and share it. And I will add more videos in velocity. Thank you.